Hey everyone, I'm Paige, and this is my portfolio on the Weebly website. I have the picture of me and a quote that I really like, as well as I set a beach background because obviously I like the beach. So the next page is my biography, and it tells a little bit about me. And fun fact for you guys, I actually, because I like the beach so much, hopefully want to teach in Oregon, maybe on the coast somewhere. But this is my biography page. The next one is word assignments, and on this page I was able to embed the Word document that we did at the beginning of the semester. And as you can see, you can go through and scroll and see all of my assignments. And at the bottom of each page, I also put a link just in case it wasn't able to download. On this page, it's this Excel assignment that we did earlier on as well. And once again, there's the link at the bottom, and you can scroll through and see what we did in Excel. If you hit the More button over here, it'll show you all my other links. But the next one is PowerPoint. And it's loading. And here's my PowerPoint assignment that did the lesson plan. And I work with kindergartners, so I have been sticking to kindergarten type lesson plans. And once again, another link at the bottom of the page. So this next one is the web quest, and I actually kind of enjoyed the web quest assignment. I could see my kindergartners maybe playing around with it even just in the classroom itself. So here's my welcome page, and I did the alphabet. So mine is called Kindergarten ABCs, and they learned how to identify letter names, sounds, and the order of the alphabet, because you wouldn't believe how hard that is for kindergartners first coming in. They seem to be coming in lower and lower. So the next one is the introduction page. And this page kind of explains a little bit of what they're going to be doing throughout this lesson and kind of gets them excited to go. So there's that. The next one is the tasks page that tells them exactly what they are going to be doing and the tasks that they need to do, such as listening to the videos about the alphabet, learning the names and sounds of the letters, practicing the names and the alphabet in order, and uppercase and lowercase letter matching, which is worked on almost all year in kindergarten. This page is the process page, and this states the steps that they are supposed to be doing and in the order they are going to be doing. So it says 1, click the alphabet, letter, picture, and sound link below, and down below are all the links to the different assignments that I would like them to do, such as the picture and sounds game. I have songs on here that they can go listen to. I have a matching game, an ABC order game, and an uppercase, lowercase letter matching, which is super important. The next page is the evaluation page that shows what I will be grading them on. Following directions is a big one for kindergarten, especially because they're not all that great at it, but they get there. Identifying the letters of the alphabet to know who are your high kids and who are your low kids that are struggling. The sounds as well, the same way, who's your high ones and who's your low, and the work performance, how will they work during it. The conclusion just tells what they did throughout the class, and I include extra links for them to do as well, just for fun. And the last page, the teacher page, where I gave credit to all of the websites I used, as well as the Idaho standards that I used. So I'm going to go back to the WebQuest assignment. Here's the other examples page, and this was the classroom's technology, where we had to pick one of the technologies to write about. And I chose Toodle-Do because I'm the type of person who uses sticky notes a lot, and this one just seemed to fit me more. And once again, there's a link at the bottom. And the last page is the Screen-O-matic page, which obviously there's nothing there right now because I am creating it right now, but I will be uploading it soon. I hope you enjoyed.